To get the month-to-month analysis of your sales and business performance, all you need to do is to scroll to the bottom, and once you get to the bottom, you click on the highlight. So on the highlight page, it will show you the month-to-month analysis depending on how long you have been on the app. So for example, if I click on the business insight for the month of May, I will receive a comprehensive analysis of everything that happened in the month of May, including the total sales for that month, comparing it to the last month, comparing it to the average, and then showing you the retail, wholesale, and discounted price. Over here, we can just click on it to see the analysis or the comparison, and then over here it ranks the items that were sold in this particular month based on their quantity, their amount, and then the profit you have made. Then over here it will rank the top 5. So once you click on it, it will give you a comprehensive analysis on everything that happened in the shop for that particular month. Then over here it will give you the analysis on your expenses, comparing it to the last month, comparing it to your average. If it is going arrow sideways, it means that there was no improvement, neither was there any retrogression. And when it is pointing downward, it means that there was a decrement. Now over here, if we had spent something, this is where it would have been displayed. And then when we come here, we have our profit analysis indicating total profit made, giving us the analysis comparing it to the previous month, to the average, and then giving you the percentages, and then the arrow showing up indicating that the profit went up. And then of course the analysis is also right here. Now this is where you get a comprehensive analysis summary for each month. So you get to know the total sales made, how much you received in cash, how much you received in mobile money, how much you received in bank transfer, and then the total sales on credit. You get the retail, the wholesale, the discounted price. Then it will show the sales you made for the previous month. It will compare the current to the previous. It compare to the average, compare to the peak, compare and bring your expenses, compare the expenses to the previous month, to the average, to the peak, and then the profit, and then it will do all those analysis. Now this one can be downloaded or printed. I can just go back to the highlight and then maybe select for the month of June, and then over here it will show everything. So the arrow going down meaning that we have dropped by 9.35%, and the current sales is short by 173 cedis, comparing it to the last month. And of course it has beat the average by 84.66%, which is you have sold 768 cedis more than the average. So it will give you the analysis right here. When you scroll down, you will see the items, ranking them based on the quantity, which is the default. You can rank it based on the amount sold, and of course rank it based on the profit made. And then the analysis will show here. Also you can toggle based on the profit and then based on the quantity. So showing right here, you see your analysis on the expenses, you see the analysis on your profit, and of course the comprehensive analysis for the month of June, which can be printed. So this is it about the highlight or business insight that you receive every month.